One, action.
Hi, good evening all. As people say, a great thing come at a great cost. Seems like COVID is one of the greatest thing that is happening, but not as a good thing, but as a bad thing because of which stock market is taking a beat. So across the world, a lot of fear is getting created with regard to COVID and the new variants of the same. So same happened in even stock markets today. As predicted yesterday, the markets went down today as well. Sensex went down by 740.19 points and Nifty went down by around 224.5 points. All the sectors are down. I don't have to say one sector or two sectors. Almost all the sectors were down. Apart from this, Barbecue Nation IPO has got subscribed by 1.81 times, out of which the National Institutional Investors portion have been booked by 9% on the second day of the booking. Apart from this, IRDA comes out with their regulation or memo telling that whoever has bought COVID shield policies last year after the outbreak of COVID, you don't have to renew it for time being because the same would get valid till around September 30th. So whoever had the thought of renewing it or anything like that, you don't have to worry about renewing it. You can continue to hold on to the same policy till September 30th, before which you will get a notification what that you'll have to do next. Apart from this, today's listing, there were two good companies that got listed, but one happened to be a good one. The other one did not do that great. So one of the company is Lakshmi Organics, which got listed at around 156 rupees, which is around 20% premium compared to the price at which the company had issued the shares, which was around 130 rupees. Apart from this, Craftman Automation, which was the other company that got listed, had got listed on 1,390 rupees, but the issue price was 1,490 rupees. So approximately 100 rupees less is what it got listed at, that is 9%. So these are the two companies that got listed today, and each one did a different thing. The top gainer for the day is Tata Steel, which went up to almost 2.9%, and the same closed at around 723 rupees 15 paise. And the day's loser is Maruti Suzuki, which went down by 3.95%, and the same closed at around 6,786 rupees 85 paise. Apart from this, gold right now trading at around 10 grams of gold right now trading around 44,683, and the same is down by 177 rupees. Silver right now trading around 64,465, and the same is down by 780 rupees for every 1 kilo. There's a good news, petrol and diesel both have got cut in the prices. The government has been generous enough that they have extended the prices of the fuel by almost 22 paise for every 1 liter. So this has been a good thing. The technical charts has not been showing any support in the market. It is still weak. So whoever has intention to buy gold, like how it happened last year, the same may repeat this year because of the further extension of lockdowns and other things across the world. So if you are interested to invest in gold, I think this is the right time that you start buying gold in bits and pieces so that you can accumulate and make good average out of it. Do like and subscribe the channel and share the videos amongst your friends so that more views and more likes happen and more knowledge is getting shared. And yes, we are happy to get more comments and more suggestions, and that is how we have been changing a lot of things on a day-to-day basis. Thank you. Have a great day.